Today, I will be showcasing a luxury designer villa built in Dubai Hills Golf Place. This designer villa is built on 800 square yards plot and the total built up is 6,800 square feet. I'm Ravi Mittal. I'm a luxury home builder for over 20 years and I've been building luxury homes in India's most prestigious location like Lutyens Delhi. इस वीडियो के आखिर में मैं आपको बताऊंगा ये घर अगर आप इंडिया में बनाएंगे तो क्या कॉस्ट करेगा और कितने समय में बनेगा.
So we're here in Dubai Hills now, and Dubai Hills is one of the most central communities in Dubai, and you have some beautiful villas over here, as you can see right behind me. You have an 18-hole golf course over here, you have a hospital, the Dubai Hills Estate Mall, you have 3 schools inside this community, beautifully landscaped, all developed by Emaar, which is of course the leading developer of Dubai. And some of the villas over here go up to even 300 to 400 million dirhams, guys. That's the kind of neighborhood that Dubai Hills is. And what we're going to go have a look at right now is a 5-bedroom at the golf place. This is a beautifully done up villa. The owner himself loves high-end furniture and quality. And guys, this house is ultra modern. It is one of the best houses I've seen, guys. It's a work of art. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour.
Let's skip to the start of this video.
Place, and this is a 5-bedroom complete gut renovation, and as you can see, the owner has an amazing car collection. I actually love the baby blue Lamborghini. Just as you come into the house, the landscaping in this house is beautifully done. We're gonna go to the back and check out the pool area and everything, and I love this water fountain right at the entrance. You know,
So I didn't like this water feature at the entrance. It looks like a reclaimed boat, something like that.
Right at the entrance. You know, they say the sound of water creates a feeling of relaxation. And I think this is a great feature that the owner has put in. And this is the main entrance into the house. So just as we enter into this house, we're greeted by this amazing double height entry foyer.
So the entrance, look at the entrance. The entrance is amazing. When you enter, there's a double height living space. I love that.
Before we get started with the actual tour of the house, I want to tell you guys a little bit more about this particular house itself. It comes with 5 bedrooms, is set on an 8,600 square feet lot and has a built-up area of nearly 6,900 square feet. So there's a lot of house in this video to check out. This entire house is a turnkey project by Casanova Furniture, which is one of the most high-end Italian luxury brands of furniture here in Dubai. Chandelier that we see, this is a special pendant chandelier that cost the owner over 200,000 dirhams, guys. Everything in this house is high-end Italian, from the cladding on the walls to the beautiful flooring to this marble accent wall and every feature that is in it. I love the floor plan of this particular D3 type of a 5-bedroom because it has a huge living area. You have one sitting area over here on my left, a dining area in the center. On the right-hand side, we have another secondary seating majlis. There's a lot of heart and detail that have gone into building of this house. Each and every brand that is used over here is...
So I like the way this dining space and living area is divided by a screen which is very transparent, yet it doesn't feel like it's dividing the space. It feels like the space is still open.
It's been specially designed and custom built for this house and flown in down from Italy. This entire sofa set is been designed by Giuseppe Vegano.
If you look at the lights here, so these are mostly the track lights which are really versatile. You can use these for the ambient lighting as well as you can focus the lights on, say, the art piece and even on the furniture. So track lights can be used for ambient lighting, for tasks and for accent lighting.
And all the leather that has been used in this is by Louis Vuitton. That's right, guys, Louis Vuitton leather used throughout this furniture. So from the first sitting area, we move on to the dining area of the house. And I love how they have divided the 2 sections with help of this dividing element which serves as a bookcase and adds an element of privacy while keeping this entire floor plan still feel a lot more open than it would have been by making walls over here. And in the center, we have this amazing dining table that has been specially flown in from Italy by Catalan Italia. It's an 8-seater dining table, very unconventional design. We have the secondary sitting area, which serves as a TV area as well. And once again, all of this furniture specially designed for this space with the Louis Vuitton fabric as well. Guys, I wish you guys were here to actually feel the kind of material and the quality and the type of leather. Like, this is what a Louis Vuitton leather feels like, guys. This is something really special. And you know what? I have to
So the owner of this house has used Louis Vuitton leather. You want to build a similar kind of furniture rather than going for obviously the branded Louis Vuitton. You can get beautiful Italian leather and can get this same furniture design and built at 1/10 the cost.
This TV that is right behind me, this is one of the latest Samsung AI televisions. Now, this is really cool because I never heard of what an AI television is. All right,
So a bit out of this place is Samsung AI TV. Rather than going for Louis Vuitton kind of brands for the furniture, I would suggest go for say Bang & Olufsen TV or something of similar brand. That makes the whole place just super luxurious.
all right, so the owner told me that if there's a kid sitting over here watching this TV, the TV is so smart that it understands and only shows channels that are okay for kids to watch. And if you're an adult sitting over here, I don't know what kind of channels it'll be showing you, but there's only one way to find out, right? Buy this TV. Let's move on. Over here, we have the kitchen right behind this door. And this is completely custom built again. All your appliances are by Miele. You have your microwave, oven, and super high-end finishing throughout this lovely kitchen. So now that you guys have seen where the owner cooks his food, you've seen where the dining room is, the living room is, I wish I could show you a little bit of that pool, but you know what? We'll get there towards the end of the tour. On the ground floor, we also have a study room and a guest bedroom suite. Right over here, as you come into this hallway, I have to comment about the ceiling light. It is so cool. The owner got this idea from a luxury car showroom, and I think it's super cool. Check this out. Really nice, right? Over here, we have the guest bathroom, completely redone once again. And over here, we have the guest bedroom suite, very nicely furnished, everything custom built, the wardrobes as well. Everything is completely done custom for this house. But you know what my favorite part is? This office. I mean, just check out this office table. This is by Catalan Italia as well, a very unconventional design.
So I really love this office table. We can design this and we can build this table using metal and stone. I have done that before and it looks amazing.
Design, very high-end finishing, and wow, the owner's looking at some Bulgari rings. I wonder who the lucky girl is. One more thing before we head upstairs. This entire house is smart home enabled. So everything in the house can be controlled via the iPad and your phone app. So your curtains, your lights, your air conditioning, the water fountains outside, the lighting in the garden, everything can be controlled with the touch of a button. And with that, let me take you guys upstairs. Once again, I want to bring you guys attention to the little details that have gone even in the staircase. If you look at this skirting of the marble, it's actually been flushed into the wall. These little light pieces as well were flown in from Italy.
Yes, so now it's standard in most of the homes that you need to build skirtings flush with the walls. Or sometimes you don't even need skirting. You can just have a profile, say aluminium profile of say 20 mm, which is actually recessed. So that looks again very good.
The owner was so passionate about this project. You know, he walked me through every little detail of this house. So just as we come up, we have the shoe closet over here. You actually have an entire shoe collection of the owner that he can put over here. And something really cool is that you have an exhaust fan inside the shoe cabinet that works with the touch of a button. That is something I didn't know existed. So if you're filthy rich and you have a shoe cabinet, you should have an exhaust fan inside, just for you to know. With that, let me take you guys to the master bedroom suite. Just as you enter, the first thing that takes you back is the beautiful view that you have from here. You have a huge balcony and the entire bed is wall to wall, specially designed and flown in from Italy by Bruno Zampa, one of the leading Italian brands when it comes to high-end luxury furniture. On this side, we have an amazing glass dividing wall, which is really nice, by Barros. And all the doors in this house are by Barros as well. And as you can see, the little details like this golden mesh used inside this glass adds a lot of luxury. This entire room is your main wardrobe area. You have a makeup table on this side. You have your jewelry collection table right over here. And your wife can keep all her bags right over here. Very nice collection, nicely lit with this glass as well. And over here, we have a little bit of the owner's watch collection. Come check this out. If I recall correctly, I think the owner said I could have any of these watches if I made this video. So if you're watching this and you see a couple of watches missing from here, Over here, we have more wardrobe spaces that leads to the main bathroom. The master bathroom itself is an amazing size. We have a freestanding tub. We have a shower room, which is big enough for two. As you can see, you have two shower heads inside for him and her. And over here, we have the toilet and a beautiful double vanity on this side. And a special feature in this bathroom is that it comes with its own balcony as well. So if you've just wanted to relax and enjoy a nice sunset with a beautiful view, we have ample balcony space on this side as well. So now that you guys have seen the master bedroom suite, it's finally time to show you guys the secondary bedrooms. On this floor, we have 3 other bedrooms. The first one over here is on my right, and the owners used 3 distinct color themes for the secondary bedrooms. This is the orange room, and as you can see, it's been designed for a young boy. All the furniture items in this room and the other bedrooms are designed by St. Giacomo, which is one of the leading Italian brands once again. And I love the kind of yellow that they have thrown in, you know, on the chair, on the pillow covers, on this reclining seating over here. And the other colors that they've gone with are the beige and the coffee brown color as well. If you come into the bathrooms, all the bathrooms are designed by Idea Group. It has a double vanity, a standing shower, and ample space. The third bedroom on this floor is the pink room. And as you can see, it's been designed for a little girl, beautiful furniture, even this carpet, pillow covers, everything is pink, from the seats over here to this reclining chair, and a beautiful view of the gardens outside. The final bedroom is the boys' bedroom, which is once again blue colored. Very nice view of the garden outside, lots of greenery, lots of wardrobe space in this room. You have the bathroom over here with your double vanity, standing shower, and all the doors of this house are very large, and as you can see, they're all designed by Barros from Italy. So now that you guys have seen most of this house, it's finally time to show you guys my favorite part of every house, which is the outdoors. And the pool in this house is second to none. We have an amazing outdoor area in this house. It has been designed to perfection. From this beautiful infinity edge swimming pool, guys. This pool is huge. You have a shallow and a deep part. On one side, you have all the landscaping. You have 2 300-year-old olive trees that mark as the centerpieces of this beautiful swimming pool. All the flooring over here is by Florim. I actually just love these sun loungers which are placed in the pool, which is a really...
So I love these sun loungers. Look at the design, and these are amazing.
really cool feature. And over here you have the entrance into this.
Just look at the entrance of this pool. So the kind of stone they have used, it's an Italian marble stone. And there's a very nice waterfall, which actually the best part about any waterfall is the surface of that pool is never still. So you will see ripples. That's how you make a swimming pool alive.
And this lovely marble wall that serves as a water feature as well. The same marble extends to the other side as well, and we have a really cool fire pit.
Look at this fireplace. And the stone, the same marble which was there at the start of the pool is wrapping around the sides of that pool. And there's a fireplace which looks amazing. Normally in India you will see flooring of a swimming pool would be some tiles, right? But agar hum marble use karte hain, maybe even granite use karte hain, and that too of say black color, that looks amazing.
Pit there as well. The landscaping is done beautifully. You have the birds of paradise along with the palm trees over here. An amazing outdoor seating area.
So the only change जो मैं इस जगह पे अभी देखता हूँ वो मेरे को लगता है the landscaping. I mean छोटे shrubs, those are fine, but इसके आगे का it is all visible. Just to make this space little more private, मैं होता तो I think so I would have planted bamboos there. तो जो एक height तक जाते हैं and then you can trim those, and the bamboo का best part क्या है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा deep rooted नहीं होते, so shallow रहते हैं उनकी roots, और वो पूरी जितना भी space है उसको cover करके it can create a very nice screen.
Sitting area. Once again, all your furniture items over here are by Von Dom, which is a really cool brand. As you can see, the designs are very modern. Over here, we have a 10-seater dining area, which is really, really nicely done. As you can see, the canopy over here is also specially designed by Casanova. If you look at...
So again, this pergola or canopy is beautifully designed. There's only one small change जो मैं इसकी canopy पे करता. It's open to the sky. I would love to put glass on top so that the same area can be used even when it's raining. Though in Dubai it doesn't rain that much, but I would still prefer to cover it.
If you look at each piece on top over here is unique. I love the ceramics at the back as well, once again by Florim. And over here we have an amazing outdoor kitchen, an oven for pizza as well, which is really nice. Hosting a party over here will be a lot of fun. And we have a special access from the outdoors. So if you're hosting a huge party and you want your guests to come in from the outside, we have a beautiful, lovely entrance over here.
I will just now tell you if you want to build same house in India and how much will it cost. See, if you take out the branded furniture and all, you can build similar house of say 7,000 square feet built up area and with the pool and everything. So it should cost you somewhere around 7 crore. And if you include the furniture, let's suppose you don't go for branded Italian furniture, you can get a custom made furniture with similar kind of leather, similar kind of designs and everything. Then you can either import or you can manufacture that in India. I'd see you would be spending only 1 crore on top of it for the furniture. Add everything, all the furniture, landscaping, swimming pool, everything. It should be done under 9 crores and the whole project can be done in 24 to 30 months. If you like this house and want to build similar house in India, visit designbuild.villas or message us on 801 0101 501. Thanks for watching.